Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover auto suggest click in Selenium with So we have opened Eclipse and I have created one class auto suggest Java class. So here I have initialized the webdriver. I have given one search and one first. I will be explaining this both XPath normal constructor, and to initialize the web elements I've used base factory init element method. And what I've done I will be explaining you. And auto suggest simple in initializing browser, maximizing the window, implicit wait, the URL of Amazon I have used, get title, and I have created the object of auto suggest, and I am calling that method which I have created tear down to close the browser. So first we will move to get URL Amazon. Okay, so this Amazon link I have given. Now I will be moving to this first search bar. ID I have used this. So I have opened this Amazon. I have to click on this. Okay, so I'm inspecting. So here you can see this ID. You can copy and place here. So I have copied. So search I have first click if some text is here, so that I have cleared, and then I am writing India in it. Okay, send keys I have used to write India. Now first click I have to do. So what I have did here I will be telling you. Okay, like till here I have done India. Okay, now I want to select this first value. What I will do, okay, so we'll inspect this value. Okay, so inside this there are so many divs are inside div there is suggestion container. Second one also okay, same is there. We'll move inside. Okay, label is different. India Gate Basmati rice. Here the different will be there. India followed by, see, some text is different. Okay, but we want India Gate Basmati rice. Okay, so I have used Control F and I have pasted that. So div, then class, this class I have called, and then div, inside this div is there, and then we have some area label India Gate. So I have put it here. If I want, means you can think this one, then I will copy this text, and instead of that I will place this, then I will get this one. Okay, second, see. Okay, so like this I can get any of this. So I have put that here, yeah, this text here, and I have to click, and now I will be running this test. Let's see what happens. So Amazon.com.in is opened, India is written. Now it's click the first link and you can see. Okay, so now it's closed. Passes one. See the title of the online shopping site, whatever the name is, Amazon full complete name. Pass this auto suggest test, and then this, so auto suggest test, and this default test run one, and this pass is not given, but in this should pass. Okay, so like this we can click over. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.